The Department of Accountancy is one of the departments for teaching and research in accounting. We deviate from traditional teaching and learning process and introduce new system to the teaching process, that is M-Learning. We are the pioneers of introducing M-Learning to the teaching and learning process. And then why we introduced this system to the teaching process. The M-Learning may currently be most useful as a supplement to ICT, online learning and more traditional teaching methods. It is widely believed that M-Learning could be a huge factor in getting young adults to engage in teaching and learning where more traditional methods have failed.
I'm a fit-forward learner. For me, online materials are highly functional and fully integrated.
And I'm a sit-back learner, so I can access the learning materials whenever and wherever I want.
I'm very much pleased to introduce our Master of Business in Accounting and Finance postgraduate degree program, where that it will be delivered through the M-Learning platform. So it's a novel technology application to the education, especially at the University of Caledonia for postgraduate degree, and where e-learning is dependent on location and space. M-Learning has no limits. This innovative, interactive, rich learning solution utilizes modern mobile technologies to provide anytime, anywhere for learning. Then students is not required to attend everyday classes. They can access to our Mobitel platform at anywhere, and they can submit their assignments. They can sit for examinations online. They can have discussion forums, and everything they can have through Mobitel M-Learning platform. And this will save money, effort, time and everything. So then at the same time, at the end, so they will be awarded the University Grant Commission accredited Master of Business degree program that will complete within that 1 year time. So that would be the advantage of this program.